Good morning, students. Welcome back to Max class. Students, today we are going to learn about exercise 2e, first main, ninth problem. Prove that square root of 1 plus sin a divided by 1 minus sin a equal to cos a divided by 1 minus sin a. See here, this is the LHS part, this is the RHS part. First, we have to take LHS part, square root of 1 plus sin a divided by 1 minus sin a. See here numerator 1 plus sin a is there, no? See, take opposite symbol 1 minus sin a and division and multiplication do. See here, square root of 1 plus sin a divided by 1 minus sin a into, see this opposite symbol 1 minus sin a by 1 minus sin a. See here, 1 plus sin a into 1 minus sin a. See, this is the a plus b. This is the a minus b. See, what is the formula of a plus b into a minus b formula? A square minus b square. A means 1 here, b means sin a square minus b square means 1 square minus sin square a divided by, see here, 1 minus sin a into 1 minus sin a, 1 minus sin a whole square. See, square root of 1 square minus sin square a divided by 1 minus sin a whole square equal to, see here, this root belongs to numerator value and denominator value. That's why square root of 1 minus sin square a divided by square root of 1 minus sin a whole square. See here 1 minus sin square a formula. See here, 1 minus sin square a formula cos square a. So, in this place 1 minus sin square a place we should apply cos square a divided by, see here, 1 minus sin a whole square means here square root to cancel. So, remaining is what? 1 minus sin a, that equal to, see again here square root to cancel. Next cos a divided by 1 minus sin a. We proved RHS. See, square root of 1 plus sin a divided by 1 minus sin a equal to cos a divided by 1 minus sin a. Understood, students? Next, 11th question. Prove that 1 plus secant a minus tan a whole square divided by cosecant a into secant a minus tan a equal to 2 tan a. See here, first we have to take LHS part. 1 plus secant a minus tan a whole square divided by cosecant a into secant a minus tan a. See here, 1. What is the trigonometrical identity? 1. 3 formulas is there. We have to apply this formula. 1 value secant square a minus tan square a. So, 1 place we should apply secant square a minus tan square a plus, this is same, secant a minus tan a whole square divided by cosecant a into secant a minus tan a. See, next, see here, a square minus b square. So, a square minus b square formula a plus b into a minus b. So, we should convert here secant a plus tan a into secant a minus tan a plus secant a minus tan a whole square divided by cosecant a into secant a minus tan a. See, next, see here, in both secant a minus tan a is there. So, we should take secant a minus tan a common. See, secant a minus tan a common taking means remaining is secant a plus tan a plus, already secant a minus tan a 2 is there means 1 took common means remaining is secant a minus tan a divided by cosecant a into secant a minus tan a. See here, next step. So, here see, plus tan a minus tan a cancel. Remaining is what? Here, numerator secant a minus tan a, denominator secant a minus tan a cancel. Plus tan a minus tan a cancel. Remaining is what? Secant a plus secant a 2 secant a divided by, already these 2 cancel means remaining cosecant a equal to 2 into, see here, what is the secant a reciprocal formula? 1 by cos a. So, 2 into, in secant a replace we should apply 1 by cos a divided by, what is the cosecant a formula here? See, cosecant a formula 1 by sin a. So, cosecant a replace we should apply 1 by sin a. Next, see, 2 by cos a into, see here, 1 by sin a, it will go reciprocal, it will go numerator, reciprocal is sin a by 1. Next, 2 into sin a by cos a. See here, what is the sin a by cos a formula? Tan a. So, sin a by cos a replace we should apply tan a. So, 2 into tan a. See here, we proved 2 into tan a RHS. That is the answer. Next, 15th question. Secant to the power of 4a into 1 minus sin to the power of 4a minus 2 tan square a equal to 1. First, we have to take LHS part. Secant to the power of 4a into 1 minus sin to the power of 4a minus 2 tan square a. See here, secant to the power of 4a into, see here, we should convert here 1 minus 4, we can write sin square a whole square minus 2 tan square a. Next, secant to the power of 4a into 1, we should write 1 square also, 1 also same. That's why 1 square minus sin square a whole square minus 2 tan square a. Next secant to the power of 4a into, see here, this is a square minus b square formula. So a square minus b square formula, a plus b into a minus b. So see, a minus b means 1 minus sin square a into 1 plus sin square a minus 2 tan square a. Next secant to the power of 4a into, see here, 1 minus sin square a formula cos square a. So in this place we should apply cos square a into 1 plus sin square a same minus 2 tan square a. Next see here, secant to the power of 4a, you should convert reciprocal formula 1 by cos to the power of 4a. Why? Because of secant a equal to 1 by cos a. So that's why secant to the power of 4a place we should apply 1 by cos to the power of 4a into cos square a into, this is same 1 plus sin square a minus 2 tan square a. Next see here, 1 by cos square a into, see here 2 4 cancel. So here 2 times cancellation is possible. That's why next 1 by cos square a into 1 plus sin square a minus 2 tan square a. See next multiplying after 1 by cos square a plus sin square a divided by cos square a minus 2 tan square a. See here 1 by cos reciprocal formula secant a. That's why 1 by cos square a replace we should apply secant square a plus, see here, what is the tan a formula? Sin a by cos a. So here sin square a by cos square a place we should apply tan square a minus 2 tan square a. See next here secant square a same. Here plus 1 tan square a minus 2 tan square a. We should do subtraction. Why? Because of plus minus is there. That's why 2 tan square a minus tan square a, value tan square a. Because of 2 is the biggest number. That's why here we have to put minus tan square a. So secant square a minus tan square a. See secant square a minus tan square a. What is the identity value? 1. Secant square a minus tan square a value 1. That's why 1 is the answer. See students, next see 1 plus tan a plus secant a into 1 plus cot a minus cosecant a equal to 2. First we have to take LHS side. See here, first we should do multiplication 1 with 1. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into cot a minus 1 into cosecant a plus next second tan a with the remaining whole do multiplication. Tan a into 1 tan a plus tan a into cot a tan a into cot a plus into minus minus tan a into cosecant a. Next secant a. Secant a into 1 secant a plus secant a into cot a plus into minus minus secant a into cosecant a. Next see here 1 plus cot a minus cosecant a same plus see here tan a also same plus here tan a we should convert to tan a formula 1 by cot a. So cot a cancel means remaining is 1 minus. Next see here tan a means sin a by cos a into cosecant a formula 1 by sin a. Next plus secant a same plus again secant a formula 1 by cos a into again cot a formula cos a by sin a minus again secant a formula 1 by cos a into cosecant a formula 1 by sin a. Next see 1 plus cot a same minus cosecant a plus tan a plus 1. See here which one is cancellation is possible here. See here sin a cancel. Remaining is what? Sin a cancel means 1 by cos a formula secant a. So that place we should apply secant a plus already secant a same. Next plus see here cos a cancel 1 by sin a formula cosecant a minus next 1 by cos a into sin a same. Next see here see here 1 no here 1 no 1 plus 1 2 next cot a same plus see here minus cosecant a plus cosecant a cancel. Next minus secant a plus secant a cancel. Remaining is what? 1 plus 1 2. Next cot a same plus tan a same minus 1 by cos a sin a same. See here 2 plus what is the cot a formula? We should apply cos a by sin a plus tan a formula sin a by cos a minus 1 by cos a into sin a same. Next 2 plus see only this part. See which part? Only this part. See this part, only this part we should take LCM. Sin a into cos a. Next see here cos sin a into sin a sin square a plus cos a into cos a cos square a divided by sin a into cos a minus 1 by cos a sin a same. Next 2 plus next see here cos square a plus sin square a. This is the trigonometrical identity value 1. So in this place we should apply 1 divided by sin a into cos a minus 1 by cos A into sin A. See here now, here plus 1 by sin A cos A minus 1 by sin A cos A cancel. Remaining is 2. So we proved RHS value. So this is the answer. Thank you students.